Pack opening.
Another day, another pack opening. Come on, Super. Bring the heat, man. Let's see the heat. Something. I see something. Oh, yeah. James Tavernier, okay. Refractor, sure. Fire Peppy, he's rolling. 4! Oh, he wanted to open this for a while. It's the Premier League Jumbo Pack. It's a big old pack. Let's see what he gets in here.
Oh my gosh, what's it made out of? Vibranium?
Alright, let's see. This is the Mega Pack.
Oh,
Okay.
Pogba.
Yeah. Oh, Gundogan. He puts that aside. And we gotta hit something. Timo Werner, okay.
Oh, Werner.
Champion Timo Werner.
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 Oh, what's this? Are this
They're just refractors.
sticky?
They stick together. Okay, it's okay.
Do I like it? I didn't.
Dang. We gotta break this streak. We have not hit anything hot.